It's too quiet at home and too cold inside. I look at the window, it's still drizzling outside. The streets are empty, the neighbors aren't dead. I look at our bedroom, you're still asleep. The countryside looks like a desert. Trees are slowly choking and it's still drizzling outside. And it's like sleeping, the eyes wide open, trying to move, but our bodies are too heavy. And it's so boring, nothing can help. I am trying to explain, but my mind is a blank. I feel so lazy, I feel so tired. I am too sad to laugh, as sad as Sunday. Each Sunday